Hi there, Shirley from Menopause Chicks. I'm really excited today because we are now getting feedback from the first few members who tried the vaginal moisturizer that Pure Pharmacy compounded especially for us, for Menopause Chicks. So really proud. Thought about this for a long time and then just finally hit the go button, and when we did, you guys really responded, so I am so excited. I'll talk about the product in a minute, but the reason for today's video is to actually answer some questions that some of you have about the applicator. So I'm gonna do that first, and then yeah, give it a try. We need to know that vaginal dryness is the one thing that doesn't get better with time. So they're easy, viable solutions, and hyaluronic acid is one of them. It's been tested to be as effective as localized estrogen therapy, which is also effective, but this doesn't require a prescription, and it's better than some of the products that you're going to see or be able to access over the counter because there's no additives in it. No additives, no preservatives, nothing that's gonna make you think that you have a yeast infection because of wax or whatever they've added to the product. So, okay. So it comes in a beautiful pump. The reason that we chose the pump over like a tube or dispenser like this is because it measures the amount that you need automatically, which a tube does not, and it's really clean. So when you dispense the product, there's nothing left there, and so no waste. So the instructions say to insert 2 pumps, which is 1 gram, and I use my finger, right? So that would be 1 pump, and it's a gel-like hyaluronic acid, with vitamin E in it. And because of the gel, it sticks to wherever it's applied. So you can put this on the labia, on the outside. You can insert it into the vagina, and you can actually put it on your face if you want to. One of the formulations was a bit more of a cream, and you could actually put it on your face. Hyaluronic acid has been used in facial skincare products since 2003, I think. So I'm just giving myself a hand massage right now. But I want to show you, if you're interested in using the applicator, just how easy it is. So you want to pull it down just until you reach the 0.5 mark. Okay, so that's going to be 1 pump, and then you do this, and then it's like a tampon. So you just put it in your vagina, pop it out like that. It's like I said, because of its gel consistency, it's going to stick, and then do that again, and that's 1 gram. It's not a prescription, and so there has been a few questions from women about how much and when, and it's going to be really personal, depending on what age and stage you're at, whether you want to use it every day. I know one woman who's using it twice a day in the beginning, just to get started, and then I told her that maybe she could taper it off to once a day. That really depends, or twice a week, whatever is going to work for you. But use your finger if you want to, use the applicator if you want to. There's no product waste when you do it. You can see there's nothing left there. So super clean coming out of the dispenser, and then the applicator, and then give it a wash, and you're good to go. So if you have any other questions, please just comment below. I'm happy to answer them. I'll include the link if you haven't already ordered your own vaginal moisturizer. And yeah, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, everyone.